Hey everybody, hope you're good, hope you're staying safe and keeping well and healthy. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you're not new, thank you so much for watching one of my videos. My name is Abby, by the way. I tend to focus on affordable makeup and skincare and sometimes hair care. So if you're interested in anything like that, please do hit the subscribe button and also like this video if you like it, and add a comment down below once you've seen the video, if you like the content, or if you just want to say hey, or if you've tried what I'm about to talk about. So without further ado, let's get into this. So today I thought I'd try something different. I do have, shall I say, two things I want to experiment with, and they are eye related products. So I believe in one of my videos, well actually I think it was in my glossy box video, I mentioned, because I had about two products that were eye related, and I wanted to do an eye related video because at the time I was kind of thinking about getting my eyebrows done, or like a magnetic eyelash thing, like, you know, centered type of video. So I thought, okay, I've got these two eye products. I can't remember what they were. I think maybe one was a mascara and I think the other one was like an eyeliner with a stamping thing or whatever it was. So I thought this would be a good idea to do an eye focused video. And at the time I thought I'd do like a 3-in-1. So I tried the two products plus a magnetic eyelash thingamabob. But today what I'm actually going to do is focus on two very different products, not those two that I talked about in my glossy box video. I will do those later on. So today I will actually be testing out the Eyelure Dybrow permanent tint for brows, and the one I have is in black. I've seen a few videos on this product floating around, and I was really interested because I don't know about you, but my brows are like the longest thing to do on my face. I mean, sometimes I do have a really good brow day, and when I have a good brow day, I have a good day. So my brows are an integral part of my makeup routine, or even on days when I'm not wearing makeup and I just want to look put together, I have to do my brows. Lately I've been a bit brave. Like I went out yesterday for my walk with my daughter, and I didn't have a single ounce of makeup on. The face you see here is the face I took out, so I was really proud of myself. And I think for some reason, I feel like my brows are kind of, I don't know, they look okay. I'm at peace with them right now. They're not my natural shaped eyebrows. My natural eyebrow shape is actually a bit thicker than this. But over the years, I have plucked away. Oh, correction, I plucked away when I was younger, when I was a teenager into my early adult life. And then when I realized that my eyebrows were not growing back, I had to stop. So I started shaving my brows instead, just to give them a bit of a shape. So the only reason I'm talking about this is so you know what you're dealing with and how I got here in the first place. So a product like this is very interesting for me, and if it can save me time, because like I said, my brows are like the longest thing to do. Like I could do my face in like 5 to 6 minutes, but my brows can easily take 5 to 10 minutes. And I know that's crazy, but that is the truth. So on a bad brow day, I can take up to 10 minutes to do my brows every single day. I don't even want to know what that adds up to be like over the course of a week, a month, a year, my lifetime. I don't know. So if you can relate and it takes ages to do your brows, this might be a lifesaver. And I've seen a few videos of with products like this floating around, so I thought it would be a good idea to try it out. So this is the Eyelure Dybrow product, and in this box you get a mascara wand, a 5 ml cream color tube, a 10 ml activator bottle, and then you also get the instruction manual. So I have already gone through the instruction manual. I needed a few more things than I actually thought. So what I'm going to do is just read off the instructions, and also it does actually say if you're under 16 you probably shouldn't try this product, and you can easily get an allergic reaction from a product like this, or like a henna related product, it says. So what you should do is do a sensitivity test. So the instructions on how to do a sensitivity test basically just mean you mix the product as you would if you were to apply it to your brow, but you put it on the inner part of your elbow and wait, is it 48 to 72 hours? And if you don't get a rash, you're fine. I forgot about this and I really want to film this video, so I'm going to take a chance. I'm quite resilient. Hopefully my skin is resilient and I don't break out in a rash. I have not had an allergic reaction in many years, and I hope I don't. So the instructions, they say, so it says cleanse your eyebrow with a non-oily cleanser. So yep, I have that. So this is just a random cleanser I have. I haven't really used this too much. This is the Revolution Pro Cleanse. It's a makeup remover. I'm not even sure if you can see it because the light is a bit bright in here. So I have that, and I have my cotton pads. So I have my cotton buds. And what else do I have that's not included? Oh, and Vaseline, just in case I need it. I don't know if I'll need it, but we'll see. So it says, cleanse your eyebrow with a non-oily cleanser to remove makeup and natural oils. Dry thoroughly. Prepare one eye at a time. Carefully spread a barrier cream like petroleum jelly over the skin and around the eyelids, but avoid getting on the hairs to be tinted. So it says you pierce the cream. So what you do is pierce the cream with the inside part, the outside part of, so this is how the cream comes, and you pierce it with the outer part to get that. Pierce the cream and squeeze approximately 2 centimeters of dye color into the mixing dish. So this is the mixing dish. It's just actually the packaging that holds the product. So I'm going to squeeze into here. And also this is what the activator looks like. You also get this wand. And yeah, so it says squeeze 2 centimeters of dye color into the mixing dish. Replace lid immediately, which I have not done, but hopefully it shouldn't dry out. Open activating solution away from the face. Add 5 drops of activating solution to the dish, and using the applicator, mix together well to form a creamy consistency that does not drip. Please note the color of the cream may change but will not affect the performance of Dybrow. Close the first eye and apply the cream mixture to the eyebrows using the mascara wand. If the cream touches the skin, wipe off immediately with a damp cotton wool. Leave the cream on your eyebrows for 5 to 10 minutes, keeping your eyes closed throughout. The average application is 10 minutes, but it can be increased or decreased depending on the desired intensity of the color and on the hair type. With the eyelid still closed, use a damp cotton wool pad to gently wipe the excess mixture from the eyebrow using the upward strokes away from the eyelid. Rinse thoroughly with water. If slight stinging should occur, flush with an eye bath of water. Repeat on the other eye. So it says it's important to mix. These are just preparation hints and tips. It says it's important to mix and apply Dybrow at about normal room temperature. Okay, so you shouldn't keep it cold or warm. Dybrow, so if after using Dybrow the hair remains uncolored, it is likely the hair was not clean, you did not mix the dye and activating solution well enough, or the dye cream color and activating solution were too hot or cold when mixing, or you have not left the product on long enough. So like I said, I have seen some videos on this, and what people tend to do is to draw their brows on, but starting maybe in the middle, and then so that gets to work, and then use what's left of the products on the outer part of the eyebrow so you don't get blocked brows, which is like my worst nightmare, which is why I've been so hesitant to try something like this, because I hate having block brows. My brows have always been my thing. They're like my favorite thing to do in my whole makeup routine, even on days when I'm not wearing makeup. So let's see. So hopefully this should take under 15 minutes, it says, and apparently it lasts for 6 weeks. So I chose the color black because I think in the videos I've seen, the darkest, I think the dark brown or the brown, the color before this, either wasn't dark enough or I wasn't sure, so I didn't want to take a chance, and I hope black isn't too black for me, so we'll see how this goes. The good thing is if this doesn't come out right, at least I'm at home, I'm not at work, so I will have to deal with it until it fades or something. So first I'm going to squeeze approximately 2 centimeters of product in here. So I've just wiped the inside just in case it's a bit dusty, and we will squeeze approximately 2 centimeters. Let's hope this is right. So the bottle has a stopper. I'm going to count. The drops, oh yeah, they are. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so as I was squeezing out the dye brow into the container, I noticed it kind of has like a grey purpley tinge to it. It doesn't look black like I thought it was going to. Like I've seen a few videos on this and the product actually always looks black, so I'm not really sure what is wrong. The pack I have says it's new and improved, and all the other videos I've seen are at least a year old, so I don't know if this is so new that they've also changed the formula, because this does not look black and I'm a bit worried. But so in the time that it's taken to mix this, I also applied it to my hands just to see what would happen, because I was convinced they would look grey. And I think I left it on for like 3 minutes and this is what's happened, and I wiped it away. So I guess it should look okay. I just have a feeling it's going to leave this grey tinge on me, and it's whatever. I'm just going to try this at least, you know, something's better than nothing. So let's see. So this is what I have. I did end up squeezing a bit more and adding a bit more activator because I wasn't sure of the amount of product. I don't think I'm going to need all of this, but we will see. So I also forgot to mention I have a little eyebrow brush thing. So let's just see what happens, because I'm already a little worried I'm gonna have grey eyebrows. Okay, so here goes nothing. Oh crap, I forgot I need to clean my brows. I have obviously done my skincare routine, so my brows are gonna be oily. So I'm just gonna apply some Vaseline, although I don't think it's gonna be an issue per se. Here goes nothing. So this is where we are right now. What I'm gonna do, because okay, so I started around, what was it, 7 minutes ago, and to be honest, because it's not like jet black, I think because it's not jet black, I can afford to leave it on for a little bit longer. So this is what my hands look like, my brows. So just to zoom in a bit. From afar, my brows look a lot stronger than they look in, or than I would like them to look actually. So what I'm going to do is wipe the front bit off first. So they're not as scary as they did look before. So as you can see, this mixture does get darker, but it's still not like black, it's more of a grey. do think after using this product and the fact that it's not black enough, with this product it's better to have eyebrows already. Like, just I think it's better basically for those who have like really not sparse brows but light hairs. Like if you have a full brow but your hairs are really light and you just want to fill in the color to make it a bit more prominent, this isn't good if you've got sparse brows, or at least not the formula I've got anyway, because it's not sticking to the skin. And maybe if it was black enough, the places that I've placed it, it would actually tint as well. But I'm not finding that. It's like this shape is not sticking basically, and even if it is, the color is not black enough to. But I do appreciate it filling in part of my brows at least, I guess. So it's not as bad. So what I'm gonna do is wipe off the front again and see if that's better. And then just, I guess, you know what, I might just wipe off the whole thing now, because I don't think it's gonna get any lighter than this. I think I'm gonna call it a day and wipe off what's left. You see? At first it looks scary, but all it's done is kind of tinted my brows a bit. So what I think I'm gonna do is double check the formula. I might have to order another one just to make sure. But it is an improvement, and this will save me time, hopefully. But it hasn't done everything I wanted it to. So it's something. And this is what my brows look like now. I will still need to fill them in. So do you get what I mean when I say it's caught onto the hairs, but the places where I didn't have hair, it's only slightly tinted, if that. So we'll have to see. So I'm going to wipe off what is left. And this is what I'm left with. So it's something, I'm not wowed by it. I just wish it was a proper black. Anywho, this was an experiment. It wasn't guaranteed to give me a great result. This is what I have, and it's something. At least it will cut down on the time it takes to fill my brows in, so that's something. So yeah, if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Please leave a comment down below if you've tried this formula, or is this a fake. I don't know. I got this from a website called Just My Look. Is it .com or .co.uk? I'll leave the name on the screen, but yeah, I got it from there and it looked fine. It had really good reviews, so I don't know. But yeah, if you've used this before, if you've used any kind of brow products like this before, let me know. I might just pick it up and maybe see what my results are with that, because I would love to have pre-filled brows. It would save me a lot of time. I did mention that I was going to do 2 products, I think, in the beginning of this video. I'm going to save that for another day because this is taking too long and I have something else to do. So what I'll do is feature something else in the second part of the video. But yeah, so that's it from me for now. Hope you have a good morning, afternoon, evening or night, wherever you are. Again, if you like my content, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell if you haven't already, and also like this video. Help me out, like this video. It lets the YouTube algorithm know you like this type of content, and also lets me know as well. So it'll be a nice thing to do, and it's free. So yeah, until next time, stay blessed. I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.